Family is one of the most important things in life. We should celebrate our love of family every day of the year and give thanks for friends and family that makes our lives that more enjoyable. Most children are fascinated by animals and often have an animal that is a particular favorite, possibly even an animal the child has never seen before. Monkey gives birth to a healthy baby. Monkeys are very good at protection of their baby. Baby animals and their families are no different than human families, and they too take being part of a family seriously. Mother chimpanzee and the baby in National Park. Baby chimp is learning to climb in presence of their parents. The kangaroo is a symbol of Australia. Kangaroos and wallabies allow the young to live in the pouch well after they are physically capable of leaving. Lion cubs play by stalking each other, playing hide and seek and wrestling with each other. Giant pandas are some of the most adorable animals in the world around their eyes. At the same time, white hairs also begin to grow, which give the panda its distinctive black and white look. A month-old panda is around 2 kilograms. Two months old, baby elephant loves playing in a mum's hay. Polar bears are extremely protective of the young, even risking their own lives in their cubs' defense. Polar bear cubs learn to hunt by watching their mother. Cubs weigh 10 to 15 kilograms. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please check the description box for more videos.